Hey, this is Danfoss 5001 room thermostat and a receiver. Room thermostat is wireless. It has to be powered with 2 batteries. I will do it later. And this thermostat is compliant with boiler control. It can be used for boiler regulation. Let's say you have one room thermostat, and depending on this room thermostat, you say to your boiler you need heating or you don't. Also, this thermostat with a receiver can be used for underfloor heating, let's say for thermal actuator control. Okay, in a few simple steps, I will show you now how to connect this receiver to power supply and to your boiler. Okay, let's power up the relay. Let's power up the thermostat. So for this one, I need 2 batteries. Let's see if relay is working. So we raise the temperature and relay here should work, and I will prepare my multimeter. So I need to raise my temperature up to, let's say, 26. You see? And now I can go down with temperature and see. Let's see how it is disconnecting then the boiler. Okay, so now it is ready to be connected to your boiler. How to connect these 2 wires to your boiler? It depends on your boiler, and usually it has something like output for thermostat connection. So you should check this with your boiler producer. Let's check one more time.